First, he was Terry.
Hi, I'm Terry, an all-male cheerleader for Arapahoe High School, and I want you to get pumped.
Then he was Bermuda.
Oh, hi, y'all. I'm a Bermuda Slimhead. Tammy, you put that down right now. I will throw the shovel again. Get. Sorry, y'all, that was my cat. She's a rascal. Anyways, hi, y'all. I hope you're... Brutus, what are you doing? Stop it. Brutus, that is mommy's linen. Brutus, I swear. You're bringing me to my edges. You're bringing me to my edges. Brutus, stop it. Stop. I have 18 cats.
Then Bernardo.
Fire alarms.
Then Jimmy.
I'm talking the last, the one, the only true religion left on this earth. My company and I are proud to present to you Scam Wow.
Now Denver's next improv star.
Why should I be Denver's next improv star? Because I have put improv into every part of my life. So much so that I stopped understanding why people needed actual apartments or cars or jobs or phones. So much so that I've given all of that up and have obtained this new, beautiful improv lifestyle. I've made this public bathroom my own improvised studio apartment. There's a coffee table over here. There's a nice bay window. There's a... Sorry. I'll see you. Yeah, okay, sorry, I'll be done. Yeah. Yeah. Who needs money when you have improv? Yes, and I will get out of this bathroom in about 10 minutes. I'm sorry. Dad. Oh, Dad, hey, yeah. How's it going? I'm actually filming a video for Denver's Next Improv Star. No, it doesn't pay. Sorry, I'm just... It's great! Nope, I still don't have a job. No, I have an improvised job. I'm a host at Applebee's. It's real to me. Wait, what? No, can I just be in here for like another like 10 minutes? I really don't have money to buy another coffee to use this bathroom. No, please, I promise I'll be quick. Oh, that's you're calling security. Okay, all right, you got it, dude. Improv.